Big Brother 27 fans have been eagerly waiting for the live feeds to return after an unexpected blackout that left the entire fandom speculating about what was happening inside the house. Whenever the feeds go down for hours or even days, loyal followers know that something big is taking place, and his week was no different. Viewers were left in suspense, wondering if a secret twist, a shocking eviction, or even a dramatic house guest meltdown had changed the course of the game. Now that the live feeds are back, fans finally have answers, and yes, the drama did not disappoint. The return of the feeds revealed critical updates about the game, whether or not a surprise elimination occurred, and how the house guests are reacting as the season moves closer to its finale. The live feeds have always been the heartbeat of the Big Brother franchise. CBS broadcasts only 3 edited episodes per week, but the live feeds provide raw, unfiltered access to the house 24/7. Hardcore fans subscribe so they can follow alliances forming, backstabbing conversations, late-night strategy sessions, and all the drama that never makes it to television. This season, Big Brother 27 has been full of twists and explosive gameplay, making the feeds even more essential for those who don't want to miss a second of the action. However, the most recent blackout left the fandom nervous because it wasn't tied to a regular competition or ceremony. Instead, it lasted longer than usual, sparking rumors that production might be hiding a huge twist or even a surprise eviction. When the feeds finally returned, fans immediately tuned in to see who was still in the house and whether the speculation about a shocking elimination was true. To everyone's relief, and disappointment for some, there was no secret eviction during the blackout. Every house guest who was present before the feeds cut was still in the house when they came back. That said, the live feeds revealed that major tension had built up during the downtime. Conversations among house guests showed that there had been intense diary room sessions, speculation about upcoming competitions, and whispers that a double eviction might be around the corner. Even though nobody left unexpectedly, the atmosphere in the house proved that production may be setting the stage for a big shake-up in the next episode. The suspense around the feeds going dark wasn't wasted. Social media exploded with theories, many of them fueled by past seasons where feed blackouts coincided with shocking events. For instance, in previous seasons, feeds were cut before a surprise eviction, a house guest's sudden departure, or even a medical emergency. Fans of Big Brother 27 immediately jumped into overdrive, analyzing every hint and clue dropped by insiders and live feed reporters. Some were convinced that the show had secretly eliminated a player to keep the game moving quickly, while others thought production might have been dealing with a health issue or a rule violation. The reality turned out to be less dramatic but still significant, as the feed return proved that the house was on edge and preparing for something big. One of the most interesting revelations after the feeds returned was how house guests reacted to the speculation themselves. Several players were caught on camera discussing how nervous they felt during the blackout, fearing that someone might be pulled from the game or that an unexpected eviction ceremony could be looming. This paranoia played directly into the larger strategy of the season. Big Brother has always been a game of not just competitions, but also psychological pressure. By leaving the house guests in the dark, production amplified the tension and pushed alliances to re-examine their trust in each other. Whispered conversations in the kitchen and backyard revealed cracks forming in previously solid partnerships, all because of the uncertainty that surrounded the feed outage. While no surprise elimination occurred this time, the speculation alone has reshaped the trajectory of the game. House guests now know that they cannot take anything for granted, and this makes upcoming competitions even more critical. For fans, the return of the feeds confirmed that the excitement isn't about just who gets evicted but also about how players adapt under pressure. The way alliances handle uncertainty often determines who makes it to the final weeks, and Big Brother 27 is shaping up to be one of the most unpredictable seasons in recent memory. Another layer of intrigue came from fans who noticed subtle shifts in behavior once the feeds returned. Some players seemed relieved, laughing and joking as though a weight had been lifted, while others appeared more paranoid than ever. Observant feed watchers pointed out that certain house guests immediately began whispering about who they could and could not trust, suggesting that even though nobody was eliminated, the seeds of doubt had been planted. This could easily snowball into explosive fights or blindsides in the coming weeks, The production team behind Big Brother has long used suspense as a tool to keep fans engaged. Blackouts, cliffhangers, and vague announcements are part of the formula that makes the franchise thrive. In this case, while the surprise many fans hoped for didn't happen, the mere act of taking the feeds down for an extended period successfully created buzz both inside and outside the house. Social media platforms like X, formerly Twitter, Reddit, and TikTok were flooded with theories, memes, and act debates. This kind of community speculation is exactly what keeps Big Brother relevant 2 decades after it first premiered. Of course, the big question on everyone's mind remains, will there actually be a surprise elimination before the next scheduled eviction episode? The live feeds may not have confirmed one this time, but conversations between house guests suggest that they are bracing for the unexpected. The phrase, "expect the unexpected," has been Big Brother's mantra for years, and if the tension in the house is any indication, the next twist could arrive at a NY moment. For now, Big Brother 27 fans can rest assured that all their favorite, and not so favorite, house guests are still in the game. The feeds have provided reassurance, but they've also reignited the speculation cycle. Who will win the next head of household competition? Which alliances will crumble under the weight of paranoia? Could a double eviction be on the horizon? These are the burning questions dominating fan discussions now that the blackout mystery has been solved. The return of the live feeds is also a reminder of why Big Brother remains such a unique reality series. Unlike most shows, where viewers only see edited storylines, the feeds allow fans to watch events unfold in real time, creating a sense of community among superfans who analyze every detail. The feed blackout may not have delivered a shocking eviction, but it did reinforce the idea that Big Brother is at its best when fans are left speculating, theorizing, and reacting together. As the season heads into its final stretch, the drama is only going to intensify. The lack of a surprise eviction doesn't mean the house guests are safe. In fact, it could mean the opposite. Production may be saving a major twist for the perfect moment, and players who feel secure right now might find themselves blindsided sooner than they expect. Fans tuning into the feeds over the next several days will likely witness shifting alliances, last-minute deals, and plenty of strategic maneuvering as everyone scrambles to make it to the end game. Big Brother 27 has been a season defined by unpredictability, and the latest feed drama only adds to th. At legacy, even without a shock eviction, the house remains volatile, with every conversation carrying the potential to reshape the power structure. For viewers who live and breathe Big Brother, the feed return was both a relief and a tease. The game is far from over, and the feeds have made one thing abundantly clear: the next big move is just around the corner. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.